everybody, good afternoon. Brian Lee with On the Level podcast, sponsored by Metro Home Improvement. Today we're on site of a build that we're going to take you inside and show you. We want to give you a first-hand account of the work so you guys can actually see how the work goes and then what a finished product looks like. So when you're in the market to have something done, we can 100% show you exactly what it's going to look like from the steps of tearing it out all the way to the finished product. So just wait a second as we take you inside and hang on. This one's going to knock your socks off. As we spoke previously before we entered the home, we told you we're going to take you inside and show you an actual physical working job site. So before we even get upstairs to show you what's going on, I wanted to take a moment and show you that we take precautionary measures before we start a job, such as covering staircases and floors with carpet runners and plastic to make sure that we maintain that the carpeting and or the finished floor doesn't get damaged in the process of doing the job. So now let's go upstairs and we'll show you as we're actually working on a job what it's going to look like. Folks, as you can see, we're in the bathroom upstairs. This is bathroom number 2. Number 1 has already been completed. Our tile man is busy at work right now installing the tile, which is a wainscoting around the outside of the bathroom to tie in the bathtub and the shower. If you take a look at the bathtubs that we install, we try to install soaker tubs to give you more depth and a better bathing experience than a traditional bathtub. And then if you see the red on the wall, that just shows you that we're doing a red guard on that drywall, and that is a waterproofing system that's done. So if water were to penetrate behind the tile, it won't rot out any green board or drywall behind the back side of it. And it's just one more step to ensure that the job is done correctly from start to finish. If you look at the floor as well, there is a cementitious product down on the floor that we'll be installing floor tile on, and that product really adheres well with the tile so you don't get any movement in that tile and the tile sticks to it properly. This is what a job in progress looks like. The next one we're going to show you is one that's been completed 100%, so you can have a better perspective of what a job looks like when it's all said and done. Hey folks, this is the master bath. This bathroom was stripped down to nothing, and photographs that we're going to show you on the video will show you what it looked like prior to us starting. So we've stripped it down, we re-drywalled areas, and then we put a wainscoting all the way around the perimeter of the bathroom to really set the bathroom off and to make it waterproof. This is our custom cabinetry that we install. So we've got a drawer bank as well as a large cabinet. And then on top of it, we've got a gorgeous quartz countertop that was custom cut with a rectangular sink. We have black fixtures in here, which really set it off with the Carrara marble. And then we do one extra step. We go a little extra mile. And instead of leaving a raw edge on the marble, we finish it off with a matching Schluter, which is a metal edge. That metal edge gives you a nice clean look. And then pairing it off with a nice light fixture over the sink. And then a medicine cabinet that's dual function. So when you got one side open, you can access one side with your stuff and you can still have a mirror that you can utilize, or vice versa. And then on the inside, this is where the dual functionality takes place because there's another mirror on the inside that has a magnifying feature on it. So it's just one extra thing, one little small detail that we try to put into the jobs to actually make our jobs unique. What you'll notice here as well is a bank of switches. So we have a GFI, which is a proper switch, and then our fan that we have is a quiet cool fan, and it has different colors. You can change the colors. So you can make it warmer or cooler with the colors that are changed. And then we also have the fan operation, and then we have a light inside the shower. Here I'm in the shower. Previously, there was a small 36-inch shower, and this was a linen closet. So we pulled the linen closet completely out. We took the bulkhead out to make the shower area larger. We built a seat inside of it with matching. So right over here, we matched the quartz to the countertop, so we have matching. We cut niches inside the wall. Those niches are for shampoo and also for soap. If you notice the floor, we have a hexagonal tile inside the shower pan. And what we did is we carried that up inside the niches to bring that into the bathroom and give some more character and depth to the shower. This is a Bianco Carrara marble. So this is actually a 4x8 and it's stacked in a brick pattern. We even wet and did it on the ceiling as well to envelope this entire shower. We have a matching threshold, a 6-inch threshold, which the glass doors are going to be installed this afternoon. And one of the unique features that not many contractors do these days or have the capability of is if you take a look at the floor, we've ran the floor in a special herringbone pattern. Most contractors use a 12-inch by 24-inch tile, a 12 by 12, or something that's more nominal. So what we did is we chose an actual 3 by 12, ran it in a herringbone pattern, and we run our tile wall to wall to envelope the bathroom in case there's a water leak or a flood. It's all contained within the bathroom space. Even our cabinetry sits up on top of that tile, and there's no open spots underneath it, so we have a nice continual tile, and we have a good flat surface to set that cabinet on. It's not wobbly where you have to shim it. We've installed a top-of-the-line American Standard toilet. This is the latest and greatest. This is the one that they claim they can flush 23 golf balls down and it will not clog. So it's a very nice toilet. It complements well. We have a GFI plug here, and the reason that's there is because the homeowner is going to put a heated seat on that toilet, an external mount that they're partial to. In the shower, on ours, we have the black trim kit. This is a Moen unit. Moen is a fantastic product. It's one of the top-of-the-line products that are out there. You can do Moen, American Standard, Delta, Kohler, all those manufacturers. We allow our homeowners to choose whatever they would like. And not only do we have a rain head, we also have a handheld sprayer. So when you're all done taking a shower, you can actually take that sprayer, spray down the glass, spray down the walls, and your bathroom inside the shower is now nice and clean, and there's no soap scum or anything that you'd have to clean up. This is just a gorgeous product. When we're all said and done, beautiful. So many great elements in this bathroom. Everything kind of goes well, 100% with it. When you see the pictures of what we started with, and you see the video as to what we've created, I'm sure you'll agree with me that this is such a gorgeous project, and it's something that we would be very pleased and we'd be gracious to do it for you. We touched on the cabinetry a little bit previously. What I want to show you though, folks, is our cabinetry and what sets us apart from our competitors. So on our cabinets, they're a complete solid box, all maple drawer. It's got a 3/4 inch front. We have 3/4 sides, 3/4 bases. Here's the uniqueness. All soft close doors and drawers. If you notice, they suck closed by themselves, so the kids won't slam them, break the doors, knock them off the hinges. And also, these come with a lifetime warranty on the glides and the hinges. They come with a 6-way adjustment on them, so you can go up, down, in and out, and side to side, so we can maintain a nice straight level on all of our closing of the doors and the drawers. And then here on the door side, when we open them up, we have full extension. We're able to get inside the entire cabinet, no problem. And when you go to close them, once again, it's a soft close door and drawer. It'll take a second. However, it'll last a lifetime because these hinges, they just don't break. They have a 140-pound snap rating on them. So 140 pounds of direct pressure before the hinges will actually snap, meaning that we're not going to tear the doors up. The hinges will snap and break, and we can always replace the hinges for you. And then we use all custom stainless hardware or chrome hardware, whatever the client uses or wants, we use for them to match. And that hardware is heavy duty. Most guys, they just go purchase $99 to $1.49 hardware. These are about $4.50 a piece. Everything that we do to complement the project. So everything flows, so we have good fit, obviously, we have good finish, obviously, and then we have great flow. From the time you enter the space until the time you leave, you don't feel compacted in here. I'm a big-shouldered guy. For me to stand here and feel comfortable, that means a lot. So, if you're thinking about doing a bathroom or a remodel, you want somebody who's honest, with integrity, is going to give you top-notch products, top-notch service. It's going to cater to what you want. Guys, pick up the phone and give us a call. Do yourself a favor. I've been in this business for 40+ years. All my guys that work for us have been in business 30, 40 years. We're not going anywhere. We consider ourselves the industry standard leaders at what we do, and it's just a simple phone call. Give me a call, 586-929-0224. That's simple. Call me there. If you need to get a hold of me direct, you can go to my website, www.metrohomeimprovement.com. We're also on YouTube at that same Metro Home Improvement. You can go to YouTube, Metro Home Improvement. You can look up our channel. It'll be on the level with Brian Lee. We're on TikTok. We're on Facebook. And last but not least, we're on Instagram. And then if you can't find us from those outlets, which I don't know why you wouldn't be able to, go to the Hire It Done website, www.hireitdone.com. You can find me there as I am his featured contractor. Mr. Adam Helfman endorses us as his contractor of choice. And if he endorses us, why wouldn't you? Thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure going over the project with you today. And we hope to hear from you soon on your next build.